Hey everyone, I wanted to welcome you to SE 301, which is Intro to Collaborative Teaching in Special Education, and go over a few basic ideas and how to get started with making your introductory snap. I have my computer set up for student preview, so you should be seeing the same thing that I'm seeing. We're doing this course in Ultra this year, and I think you're going to enjoy the way it's laid out. It's pretty consistent. If we'll move down to Learning Module 1 and click on Learning Module 1, you'll see the activities are down. There is my introductory snap. I'm going to click that, and it's going to give you my instructions as to how the introductory snap should be made. It'll be a post 5 to 6 second video. 3 things about yourself that you'll add in the post and respond to other classmates. I've put how you would respond, and I gave my example below. So let's click on Canva. And let's go to social media. And again, you're not creating an actual social media post, but we're using the format. We're going to go into Instagram and choose the very first one, Instagram Square. Okay. I need to upload a picture to go on. And so what I'm going to do is go to Uploads, and I'm going to choose one. I've put mine on my desktop so it's easy to find. And then I'm going to drag it across, and you'll see when you get it to the corner, it'll expand. And that's what I want. So there's my picture of my wife, my 2 daughters, my mom, and my dad. Okay, now I want to add a text to it. So I'm going to go to the text key, and I'm going to type in add a text box. And my word for how I will teach students with special needs in my courses will be prepared. Okay. I'm going to drag it and so I can make it a little bit bigger, and I'm going to move it down to the bottom. Well, actually, first I'm going to go ahead and change it to a white color, and I'm going to make it bold so it's easy to see. Now I'm going to drag it down to the bottom, and I want to animate it. So I'm going to click up here on animate, and I'm going to choose one that looks good to me. There we go. I'll choose bounce. Okay, so there's my snap. That's all there is to it. I'm going to share it, and I'm going to download it. And it's saying that it wants me to do an MP4. That's perfect. I'm going to hit download. It's going to save it to my desktop or to my downloads folder, and then I'm going to post it. There we go. All right, now it's saved in my... Okay, I'm going to go back into Blackboard, and I'm going to post my work. So I'm going to go down in. I can't post anything until I've created my own response. So I'm going to go ahead and type my response. I'm going to type in 3 things. So number 1, my name is Craig Winship, but I have... Coach. I have been called Coach Winship for over half my life, and that was fast. Number 2, I started teaching in 1990. And number 3, graduated from Mississippi State. Okay, those are my 3 things. Now I want to post my snap that I just did. So I'm going to click on attachment, and I'm going to choose the attachment that I just downloaded. And mine's in my downloads, so I will choose right here. So I've chosen it. It's posting it. I'm going to call it anything. I'll call it Winship, and hit save. And now there is my snap. Okay. And now you've got everything posted, and I'll hit save. And I am done.